The equipment, and is worth reiterating, even though it's been mentioned before, include 50 dragger breathalyzer machines. So you really shouldn't drink and drive. We can't re-emphasize this often enough. 20 LifeLock breathalyzer machines. And again, this is a reminder that as citizens in this country, we need to contextualize our recreation and our fun. We cannot prioritize our recreation and our fun above human life, even as we seek our own individual human rights. Remember the adage that says, your freedoms stop where my freedoms begin. So as you take your beer, remember, I don't want to be put at risk by your drinking when you're drunk. And that's why we have these 50 dragger breathalyzer machines and 20 LifeLock breathalyzer machines being handed over to the IG and his team.
And I just want to use this opportunity to advise, especially our motorcycle riders, the border riders, that when the law insists, as it were, that one must put on a helmet before you ride on a highway or any road, it is not for the sake of anybody else. It is in your own personal interest to put on a helmet. Because many of the fatalities that we witness on our roads is because the rider or the passenger did not have a helmet. It is in your own interest to put on the helmet.